How's it going, everybody? It is Ethan, or Unknown Coder, and I just wanted to go ahead and record a very quick, just 2024 talking head type video, kind of go over our successes and what we're going to do for 2024. So first off, I do want to go ahead and say thank you all for 2023. This was a crazy year. We had some goals set. I believe we want to try to finish Let's Build Twitter. Obviously, that didn't quite work out. We didn't have enough time to finish that. It's taken a lot more time than we thought. I wanted to go ahead and try to release some full length tutorials, which I did end up releasing one, and it did go pretty well, and I actually am hoping to release another one that we'll talk about in a little bit. And we also want to try to hit that 1,000 subscriber goal, as well as 4,000 hours of watch time. So that's the first one I do want to go ahead and get into. After I say Happy New Year, everyone, thank you for 2023, and let's hop into the video. So in 2023, our goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers and try to hit that 4,000 hours of watch time. That way we could get monetized. I will probably go ahead and blur out the estimated revenue. I'll talk about what the plans are to kind of use this revenue for in a little bit, but let's go ahead and talk about 2023. So in 2023, our goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're at around 300 subscribers, give or take. And now you can see we're at 2,705 subscribers. You guys absolutely smashed it. I appreciate everyone's support. I can't underestimate how much I appreciate you guys and all the support that you give. We made 100 or something like that episodes of Let's Build Twitter, maybe not 100, but we try to upload twice a week. So that is absolutely amazing. As you can also see, we got over 4,000 watch hours thanks to my spring security tutorial. So I am trying to bring out more tutorials, and we had 108,000 views in the last year, which is also just ridiculous to me. But I'm not really worried about the views, not worried about the subscribers. I'm just trying to strive to be better, trying to get Let's Put Twitter out and everything like that. Let's go ahead and talk about 2024. Let me switch off this screen. So going into 2024, I have a couple of goals. None of my goals relate to growth or anything like that. I just want to go ahead and try to continue pushing and continue that, consistency with uploads. So my goal for 2024, of course, is to finish off Let's Build Twitter. How 2024 is kind of going to work, I'm probably going to quote unquote take off this next month or so. I don't really want to call it taking off. I'm going to try to live stream here in a couple weeks. But what I want to go ahead and do is I want to try to get a backlog of Let's Build Twitter up. That way I can kind of have some leeway throughout the year, because we are going to take some vacations. It's going to be some time off, things like that. That way I don't miss out any weeks. But the way Let's Build Twitter is going to work is going to shift a little bit. So I've been kind of shifting towards this here at the later part of the year. So instead of being kind of record and upload and all of that stuff, it's going to kind of be more like a hand-built hero, or handmade hero, I think is what's called, by Molly Rocket, I believe his name is. If you haven't seen it, it's a C++ series where he builds out an entire game from scratch, and he live streams it. So basically the plan is to live stream twice a week like I have been, and then later on, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, I'm going to go ahead and condense that as short as I can, and one stream is going to equal to one episode of Let's Build Twitter. So if you guys want to watch me live, you can go ahead and watch me do that live, or you can come back later, watch the more condensed version. I'm hoping this is going to help me go ahead and have a little more time to do some other series. I have a couple other series that I have in mind. I have a couple tutorials that I have in mind, so kind of going to get into those as well. On top of Let's Build Twitter, I'm also going to be going ahead and uploading, hopefully here next week or this week, depending on when this video goes live. I'm going to have a full-length tutorial on the MERN stack, and this is going to be uploaded on YouTube. There's going to be a couple different versions. Again, you'll see that whenever it comes out. I don't want to get too into detail, but just know I am going to have a full-length tutorial coming out. It's just taking a little bit more time to get uploaded and all ready to go than I had anticipated at first. So hopefully that comes out very, very shortly. And the reason that I want to kind of do our Let's Build Twitter the way that I'm doing it is because I do want to focus on some more longer and free tutorials. So I am thinking about doing a couple more Java ones, including another Spring Security one that's kind of broken up into maybe 30 or hour long videos and have 3 or 4 parts to it. 100% free. You guys have full access to the repository. And then also I am planning on possibly doing some that are kind of locked behind a paywall, similar to the one I'm doing next. So I think that's kind of everything that I want to talk about. I just want to get this quick video out, let you all know. And the reason I'm kind of taking a little bit of a hiatus is because I'm trying to get all my videos done for kind of the new year time. That way I can clear out my hard drives. I'm going to be upgrading my computer with some more RAM, and I'm going all SSD. So I need a little bit of time to get all of these videos done, make sure I can get the videos and everything I need off the hard drives, transferred over to the new SSD, then I'll be good to go for the new year. So if you don't see me live streaming for a little bit, it's because I'm trying to get these videos done, and that way I can clear out everything and have a nice fresh slate for 2024. So with that being said, I appreciate everyone for watching all the support. This is going to be just a really quick video to update you guys what's going on. And I guess I didn't get into what I want to do with the revenue, I guess. I haven't made that much money, but hopefully as we get rolling, I'll be able to start supporting myself a little bit more. But all the funds that I get from ads and support and everything like that, it's going directly back into the channel. So I haven't got my first paycheck yet, so that means I haven't even made $100. And again, I'm not worried about the revenue or anything like that, but the first bit of revenue, the first paycheck from Google is going straight into the channel, and I'm doing a rebrand. So I'm going to pay someone to basically revamp my profile picture, revamp my header on YouTube, revamp my Twitter space, all of that, new graphics, new stream graphics, everything like that. That way I have a nice fresh slate as well whenever I get that first paycheck. And after that, we're going to start upgrading some equipment such as microphone, camera, and all of that stuff. So all of it's going to start going back straight into the channel, and then maybe start saving it and whatnot. You know, it would be really cool if in 2 or 3 years I could do this full time, or if it was enough to be a part-time job. But just being real with you guys, it's not even really making enough to be a part-time job, so everything's just going to go into it. Then maybe down the line I'll start saving it and hopefully be able to retire from my full-time job. So I think now that's everything I wanted to get across. If there's more, I'll think about it and record, but I am a little bit of a hurry here. I only have a little bit of time. I have some more stuff I gotta do before I go back to work tomorrow. So with that being said, again, I appreciate you all. Thank you all for the subscriptions, the views, the support, the likes, the comments, everything. That's great. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and hit 2024 hard again. The grind never stops. I appreciate you all. Happy New Year. Have a great holiday season. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all again.